How to change the battery indicator on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on a device. Scroll down a notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on notifications and quick settings. Now simply tap on status bar. Now on this page, find battery indicator or battery style. Now tap on it. Now choose the indicator. Now simply go back. Now tap on battery percentage. Now you can choose from inside battery icon and outside battery icon. Now once you select it, simply go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.